Let me show these fools how to play Skate Roulette.
Oh, I love this game.
All right, guys, we're super excited to be here in the Braille house with you and special guest Donovan.
I love roulette. My favorite pasta.
I think we just go at it. What do you think? You want to explain the rules in a new unit of time?
Gabe, how fast can you explain the rules? Pretty fast.
Let's see it.
Rules are things that you follow that keep things fair.
Boom! Can you be more specific and elaborate on the rules of Skate Roulette? 1 point per card, up to 10 points, and you get 1 try per card. Yeah. And if you don't want to try it, you lose a point. First 1 to 10, that's it.
Why do you know the rules better than I do?
I watch this channel, dude. I watch it.
Respect.
Okay?
Give it a go. You can go first.
You're in first.
Here we go. 180.
180.
And then you could double up on tricks, right?
Well, it's a combo right here. Can you
It
draw
has to
another
say
one?
combo.
Yeah.
180 laser flip, sure. Frontside flip.
Now you can go stance, obstacle, or weird.
You might want to just try to get 2 tries. Be modest. Try and get 2 points right here.
Exactly.
I got 2
That's a good strategy. That's a strategy right there.
To me, I would have been stance, obstacle, weird. Let's go.
All right, frontside flip.
You ready?
2 points right there. That's how we do it.
I didn't even see. Freddy, let's have you go next.
Oh dear, laser flip.
180? It's
180
not a
laser
combo
flip.
though.
Combo then?
Oh,
Thank you,
what?
180.
Dude.
Obstacle.
The handrail.
Small box. You want to go weird?
What you...
Holding a second board. Wow. Yep, that was good. What happened? McNug, let's have you go next.
I just want to say I like this table. It's great.
Heel flip. Push Mongo. Oh, it's combo. Oh, backside.
That's a stance?
So you have to push Mongo and then do a backside heel flip.
So I can do it on the bank.
You can. Why would you though?
If I heel flip going this way on the bank, it's a backside heel flip.
It is.
If I just kick, turn, and heel flip, that's a backside heel flip. I'm not going to land it anyways, I don't think.
Yeah, you are. Wow.
Wow. So far, every person that went got their cards. Let me go. I'm going to show these guys how to play Skate Roulette. You ready? No slide.
No slide?
That's exactly
No, you can't pick
You can't combo that, man.
Dude, I just learned that. No slide cookie grind. Well, you can't really no slide without an obstacle, can you now?
Stance.
Fakey? What's a fakey no
Half
slide?
cab no slide.
Kevin, no slide.
Well, in that case.
Strategy, Aaron. Strategy.
What do
man.
you mean strategy? What I said was every person got their cards so far. Let me show these fools how to play Skate Roulette.
The luck might have been used up, my friend.
We don't need luck where we're going.
Do it. Remove 1 wheel.
Let's go.
Oh,
What do you call that? Rusty, dude.
Aaron, you got 3 tries. Down it. I feel like the older deck was way harder. Doug, let's have you go. Varial. Can be kickflip or heel flip, whatever you want. Or body varial. Stance.
Regular
Regular
Come
varial.
on, dog.
Get weird on an obstacle, Doug. Let's go.
Get weird like
3 times in a row, you get 2 additional tries. So you have 5 tries to do a regular body varial 3 times in a row.
You're looking like this is hard. It's easy.
What are you doing?
What are you thinking?
Oh, I'm thinking I'm hitting it off too, but
Could be down the handrail. You need to make this go.
yeah, I'm going with these.
Putting a lot of thought in this one, Doug.
5 tries to do it 3 times in a row.
Like a pop shot body barrel.
You can do any body varial you want. You can literally just do a.
I don't like ollie body barrels.
You can literally just do a body varial.
Let's go nollie
Just
body
ju-
barrel. Ready?
Okay. Sure. Doug, literally
No,
body
I don't like
varial.
ollie body barrels.
No,
you
no,
thinking?
don't pop. Just roll and body varial.
I know competition, I should be helping you, but stop it, dude. Just do
Popping.
it.
No, Doug.
So-
Here you go. There's one. There's 1. There's 2. There's 2. No, there's 2. You gotta do 1 more regular.
I gotta do regular.
Yeah, you gotta do 1 more regular. No, you're good. Such amazing display of professional talent. Oh, I love this game.
Yeah, I like this setup, like with the light and the table. I want to just pick your cards. Like a real
Nose manual. Small set.
Nose manual, the small set.
like
Uzi's coming in clutch today. All right, Troy, you got this.
ollie,
Oh, yeah.
regular.
Regular ollie. Come on, hit the obstacle. Ledge. Okay. Let's go weird, man.
Why not?
Oh, you got this. Yeah, you got that.
Just time lapse this. We need robotic sounds. Wait, why? Because they're a pit crew right now.
Stupid.
All right, it's not coming undone.
I usually do good on these games, so I'm gonna actually pick more cards.
Big spin.
Big spin.
Nollie.
Ollie.
Large box.
We'll go weird.
And you get an extra try. And you can pick another card if you want.
Go weird again.
Select an additional card.
What? Okay,
Okay,
Carlos.
go ahead. Using 2 boards. Oh yeah, so you just nollie big spin, land on another board. There you go. 4, 5, 6, 7 tries.
I might do that. You got that.
Well, you only have 4 more tries.
No, that's 3 more tries.
As long as he utilizes 2 boards, it counts.
Last one.
One more try.
Woo! Oh, I should have taken your advice, right?
Carlos remains the luckiest person in skate roulette of all time.
7 points.
You want in?
You guys already started?
Yeah.
Go right now.
The last person actually just went, so before the
I like
restarts.
how you started this without me, and you knew I wanted to play this with Donovan.
Carlos
you know
already
what?
won anyways.
You a quarter of my friend now.
Sure you want to play? Carlos just got 7
Carlos
cards
just
and
got
1 turn.
One turn.
Why does he still play? I don't get it.
5-0. You always get that one. Backside 5-0.
Nollie back.
Nollie, backside 5-0. Small set. No, on the little bank right there, the edge, just wax it and go down it.
Oh my.
How to cheat?
It's called strategy.
Oh!
Damn, brother.
There's a draft that tried to cool off.
What do you think so far?
I had some hopes, but then after Carlos's turn, now I gotta really turn it up.
There you go. Now you just gotta nollie into it. How many?
Yeah,
All right,
good
Nigel,
luck.
you have 4 tries for this.
Oh god, that's a lot scarier than you think.
This is like a U trick. Can you do this?
I think so.
I should probably go faster.
There it is. Oh, man.
Flip
Time
time.
to turn it up.
Laser flip time. I'm hoping. Laser flip. Give it to me. I want it. Give me laser.
Shove it. Frontside shove.
Combo, but I
you
can
get
throw
another
another
one.
stance. A
So
regular, front shove.
frontside shove.
I don't think you
I'm
got
just
it.
gonna pick up 3
I don't think
more.
you got it.
Front shove.
Your count's at 5. It's Fetty's turn.
That's the key.
Manual. Manual the kicker. Right there. All right, let's do it. Tray flip. Front side.
Frontside tray flip? Oh, you out.
I can do that.
Body barrel count. Or you can just do a tray flip on the hip and do it front side.
Yeah, I was thinking about that too.
Kinda.
All right,
Get the weird and the. Just go. Whatever you want.
I'm gonna do the tray flip sex change thing.
That's stupid.
I should just start doing those. That was like, it's a good trick.
Fire department's finally here to see my tricks because they fire.
Burial heel.
Let's just go at this point.
Switch.
I
Leave
did
it.
that.
Leave it. Leave
Did
it.
that one time. First try.
You only get 1
Hill,
try.
first try. I have landed this. Let's go!
Come on, give it to him.
My feet stayed on.
Now that does not mean nollie heel.
So it's like 50-50 revert. You do like a 180 out. Push regular.
You don't want
Push regular, 50-50,
50-50.
revert out.
Yes. Count it. Oh, this game.
Almighty Carlos, bless me with the
laser flip.
Board slide. You can't do another card.
I have to beat Carlos.
over
Over
a friend.
Oh no. Someone has to lay under the rail.
Combo.
Dude.
Quarter pipe. wait, I'm thinking. I got this.
I am Uzi's friend then.
Oh, genius. Genius.
He's gonna ollie up and hit that. It's Uzi. He never messes up. What are you doing? I don't need that.
Landed that.
He's got that.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Uzi, that was so sick.
Kick flip. That's my worst trick.
Obstacle. Do I dare? Bank.
Do I stop at bank or go weird?
Give this card to another player.
I don't have any cards. Thank you, sir.
Why you giving it to
I have
Nigel?
a card now.
He put his hand out.
Land one-footed.
Fifth grade. Whew, I don't know if I want to do stance. Cause I could do. I would
Say obstacle.
Okay.
Smith grind a skateboard. Nollie Smith the skateboard. I'm going for the
Oh,
win. You know,
I
I'm
thought
going
you
for the
just
win.
do it on a skateboard.
Bottle flip. I have the bottle flip and then do a Nollie Smith on a skateboard. I have 4 tries to do
I
that.
would do that.
The messed up thing is I'm not good at bottle flipping at all.
Oh.
See, I'm not even worried about the trick. I'm worried about the bottle flip. Because that counts for a try, right?
Yeah.
Oh, almost killed the game.
Double flip. The small box.
Anything but shoes tied together. Carlos, where you at? Give me a card.
Take a card from a player. You have to land it.
Oh, I have to land it first?
Yeah.
That's the new rule?
You have 3 tries. Now you fork over a card.
I don't know if I want to go deep or not, man. Keeping it simple.
Crook.
I'll get 2 tries. Switch, of course.
I'd stop there.
Yeah, I'll stop there. I think I could actually. Hold on. Gotta get it to pop. Oh! It's a 4 lava rules.
Kick flip. The 5.
Okay, you got that.
I can't do any other stands.
Just get that.
Oh.
See what trick we got first.
Hard flip.
Somebody shuffled it.
It's a good
Thank you.
I'm just gonna try that.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no.
5-0, dude. I've never done that before.
Obstacle.
Let's dance it. Switch. Quarter pipe. While catching an object. Do I gotta do it like mid the 5-0? Small box, small box, small box. Bank. How you switch 5-0 to bank? Yeah, I mean the thing is, here on this one game, that nobody else understands, I win right here, I land this.
Wait, really?
I got 6 cards.
If you stall it, I'll throw it to you.
Yeah, throw that faster, Carlos.
Like there's no coordination.
Okay, well you threw it before he got on the ledge though.
You said to throw it before.
One more for the mess up. Oh no!
He didn't really throw it, nor did I grind.
Tray flip.
Tray flip. Nollie.
Okay, okay. Should I go obstacle? I gotta go for the win. Bank?
Bank.
Easy.
Just
No.
nollie tray
Yep.
down
Seriously, yeah.
down a bank?
Yeah.
I need 4 cards to win.
Shove it combo.
Smith shove.
You can also do it on the mini ramp.
I love how hard he thinks when he stares at these cards.
All right, trick. Ready? What is it?
Hard flip. Backside.
What?
Get over.
Hard flip. Keep
Combo, you can do more if you want.
I'll keep it at that.
Wow. Very close.
5 because Nigel took one from me.
Combo heel flip. Stance. Front side heel.
Oh,
that
no.
sucks.
I'll do obstacle and I'll just settle for that.
Skate.
Over a skateboard, I'm assuming.
It's
You know what?
crazy.
No, I want to go weird actually. Land one-footed. Front side heel flip. Land one-footed.
Overboard.
Overboard. Oh my god.
One more.
Get on this shove level, Nigel.
We passed that.
Nollie, tail slide, blindfolded, large box.
What happens if I don't do it?
You lose a card.
I'm so scared. Who is this?
You were literally like 4 feet away. Nigel, just trust your own instincts, dude. That was amazing still.
Yeah, who done did it?
Hey! I won it. I'm so excited I got that, honestly. That was my golden boy.
I believe in the heart of the cards.
Look. Thank you.
That's the hardest one.
Ledge. Pocket. Wait, how would a Finky Crook work?
Oh my god, hands in pockets is so scary.
Trick. Kick flip. Switch flip. Great.
Switch flip over the handrail.
Yep.
And if you don't try it, you gotta lose a card.
I would lose your card.
We're doing it.
Chris, I want you alive.
I know in my my heart that I could do it, but I'm not going to. Should I just try it? I feel like this is gonna be like a bad.
If I'm being completely honest with you, I think you should lose your card and not try that because I like you alive.
That's love. I take it. I'm gonna respect your opinion.
Also, a few people here that are very close to winning right now, and
it's not even worth it.
Not worth it. If you were gonna win right now, I'd say try it.
Right.
But since you're not even close to winning, I would say don't put your life at risk clipping on a handrail, falling to a stair set, you know?
You know there's other filmers that are like, just do it, bro. You could do it. Like, just do it.
I talked him out of it. 5-0 again.
5-0.
Don't do it to me. No. If this is bank, we know something's up. Braille. Bottle flip. That was the worst switch ollie ever. Did I 5-0 though? What? I can't land on it.
Yep.
Wind speed. Let's go!
Count this man's cards.
We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Might be my first ever win. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, and even you back there, learn how to skateboard. This is your time. Let's go.